Alexa, what does my diary look like today?
Oh my God, these feelings just begun. I'm saying things I've never said, doing things I've never done.
In this video, I'm going to talk about a day in the life of a mortgage broker and the benefits of using one, what they do, and to go through all of the simple process for you if you've got any questions and concerns on using a mortgage broker. Now, firstly, before I go into the video, I just want to say a big thank you to all the people that are viewing our videos. We've had some really positive, fantastic feedback. We've already helped loads of clients off the back of these videos as well with their mortgages. And thank you for the likes, thank you for the views, and also thank you for our subscribers. So if you like what you see and you're finding it very helpful, then click on the subscribe button, click the bell and click all, and that means that you'll get all of the notifications that we send out to everyone that follows us. And that basically means that it's completely free. You get updates weekly on new content, and if there's anything you want to add, then let us know. So let's go straight into the video.
And my head tells me to stop, feelings I feel about us. Try to fight it, but it's never enough. My heart is hurting, it's more than a crush. Cause I'm frozen in motion, and my head tells me to stop, but my heart goes.
So using a mortgage broker can be really beneficial for you, purely because if it's not your niche area, say for instance you have a trade yourself, you may be a painter and decorator, you may be an architect, etc, etc. Well, with a mortgage broker, that is their specialist area. So that's what they do day in, day out. And their primary goal is to make sure that the client, i.e. you, gets the best deal and make sure that you are either saving money, reducing the term of your mortgage, and making sure you're getting that property and that deal that you need and want. Now, in this current climate, there has never been more of a reason to use a mortgage broker or to speak to a specialist person that deals with all of the lenders within the market and has a real comprehensive range. The benefit of that is that they will pick a specific lender that meets your criteria. So that means how much you earn, how much deposit you have, your occupation, your credit file, all of your background history. And they will tailor that specifically to you to make sure you're getting the right deal for you at this current time. Mortgage brokers have a wide selection, as I've mentioned before, and on this split screen you can see how they generally source it. So they put your information into the system, and then what it does is it searches thousands and thousands of deals in the current market, and it's tailored to you. So your age, your term of your mortgage, your income, and it filters all of this down. And then the mortgage advisor, as a specialist, has a duty of care to make sure that they are making a recommendation and advising you on the right product for you.
Oh my God, when I see you I should run, but I'm frozen in motion.
If you're using a mortgage advisor as well, really take advantage of them with regards to all of their knowledge and their bank of contacts that they have, such as solicitors. They may have good relationships with the conveyancing department if it's a remortgage, but especially if you're buying a property and you're a first-time buyer, then solicitors can also be a bit of a minefield as well. Who do you use? Who do you go to? Who's good? Who's not good? Do I go for the more expensive or do I go for the cheaper? Again, that on its own is really quite daunting. So again, speak to your mortgage broker. They may have a recommendation, they may have a good relationship with that solicitor, and they will literally handhold you through the whole process and to make sure that it's not as daunting as you think it may be. Some mortgage broker companies can also get preferential rates. So that means if you was to walk into a bank, say a high street bank, and you was to sit down with their mortgage advisor, the in-house advisor, they can advise on just the products that that bank or building society can offer. So that may be 2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas with a mortgage broker, they can also access them deals with that bank or building society, and sometimes with preferential rates, or they may get little things like cashback deals, which the money goes in your pocket or can pay for your solicitor. So again, there's loads of perks, loads of benefits of using a broker over a bank. It's also important to do your own due diligence as well as a client. So if you're going to use a mortgage broker, don't necessarily just go on comparison websites, but look at some in your local area. What one's right for you? How do you feel? Are they experienced? Look at their Google reviews, look at their Facebook profile, look at their website. Do you get the right feel for that broker? Because it's really important you have a really good relationship with your mortgage broker, because really it shouldn't just be a one hit with a mortgage broker. They should treating customers fairly, look after you for the length of your mortgage or for the time that you want them to help you.
But it's never enough.
So you may be thinking, can I only use a mortgage broker when I'm buying my first property? The answer to that is no. You can use a mortgage broker in any single transaction with regards to your mortgage, even protection and insurance like life cover, critical illness cover, income protection, etc. So it's really important to build a good relationship with your mortgage broker and that business, because the mortgage is going to be your biggest direct debit generally within your lifetime coming out of your bank account. So you want to make sure that the person that's set it up has a good knowledge, good experience, and has got your best interests at heart. If you want to use it for a remortgage when your rate ends, speak to your broker. If you want to buy a new property, speak to your broker. If you want to borrow more money, speak to your broker. They're the ones with access to the deals and the knowledge, and going direct to the bank isn't always the best thing.
Cause I'm frozen in motion, and my head tells me to stop, but my heart goes.
So I hope you found this video helpful. We're going to be doing weekly updates. So again, we love your views, we love your comments, and thank you for watching. If you want to follow us weekly, then just click the subscribe button, click the bell. It's completely free, and you'll get all notifications on the weekly updates and videos that we are posting. So any questions, let us know, and I hope using a mortgage broker is going to be something that you're going to consider in the future, or at least ask the questions before you commit to a mortgage. So speak to you soon.